Welcome, here I've got Huawei MatePad Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the photo quality at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard photo mode. So to get access to more advanced settings we have to tap on this button in the left. And as you can see, at the first place we have the resolution of the picture, and this is connected with the image quality. And by tapping on this we get access to it, and this is very connected, so we can pick from 13 megapixels, 10 megapixels and 11 megapixels, and also it changes the ratio of our picture like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.